Hey guys, and welcome to the TikTok tutorial. I'm creating a new tutorial because I've updated the UI. I've removed the UI and made it command line interface. So first you're going to want to navigate to the TikTok repo, link will be in the description. Press code, download zip, then you want to extract the folder. So find it in your downloads, extract. Then you go to the extracted folder, command pip install -r requirements.txt. You're going to want to make sure that you have Python 3.8 or 3.10 installed to path before you do this, and you also need Google Chrome installed, otherwise this will not work for you. Then you do python main.py and it should open the GUI. I'm going to be using this video as an example, so let's get that. So TikTok, I'm going to be releasing Instagram when the repo hits 150 stars. Right now it's at 115, so go star it. A captcha's going to pop up, just complete it. 2 should, but only 1 will for me, because yeah. So as you can see, all 4 are working right now. You type the choice, enter the URL, and then the bot should start. I'm going to come back in around 5 minutes and show you guys how much have been sent. Hey guys, so I forgot to record the results. So here you go, 3k views sent in total. It's only sent 1.5 or 1.6 because I only have half the sites we're supposed to have. You guys will have the right amount. Look, just sent another 1k. Should be 500. Yeah, 600 or 700. So yeah, if this did help you, make sure you star the repo, as it will make me add Instagram support and increase speed of botting, update it, etc. There's also a Discord bot in my Discord server, which is basically the same as this, except you can use it on mobile. So yeah, see ya.